Hi everyone, it's Heidi from WTI, and wouldn't you agree any job is easier when you have the right tools? Well, if you need to make hands-free video recording with your cell phone, then let me introduce you to this cell phone tripod from Qualiassu. Let's take a tour. Let's start with the rubber feet on the bottom. I love it because it won't scratch the surface, and it's also going to give you a secure grip. Next is the 3 legs, the tripod area. I like that it's at the base because I feel like it gives me a smaller footprint. I can extend it out more if I wanted to, but I like it tighter in because I feel like it doesn't take up as much space and I'm more able to keep it set up. It won't be in everybody's way. I also like that you primarily extend the tripod at the center, and that's nice because it's faster. You're not constantly extending the 3 legs. There are 5 sections. Also at the top here we have the 360 movement for the phone, and then up here it holds your phone securely in. The other very great feature, actually my favorite feature, is the remote control, and it connects to both iOS and Android. There's a button for each of them. It gives you great instructions. It was super easy to connect it, and it's just so much nicer than doing this to stop your video. You can do it very discreetly without anybody seeing it. So these are all the great things that I love about this tripod, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.